Look at this girl. Just living the life. Aren't you just living the life, mamas? Yeah. You want to say hi to the friends? You want to say hi to the friends? Give a kiss. Besito. Besito. Good girl. Good girl. Hey guys. I am just chilling right now. I got home from work like at 3:30 almost. Actually no, like 3:45, almost 4. And I got out at 2:30, so I wish rent wasn't so expensive in LA and I can just move in somewhere close to work without paying like more than I make a paycheck. Like, that's ridiculous, but it's gonna have to be done one day, sadly. But anyway, I am watching old vlogs of mine. I know, is that weird? I think it kind of is a little bit, but at the same time, like, I just kind of want to see what I was doing or how it went. I am currently watching the Vegas trip vlog. So yeah, and I am ready for the gym. Oh, dang girl, too much cleavage. I am just watching vlogs and that's it. I'm so happy because today is kind of like my Friday. Not really, because I only have one day off. And tomorrow I'm going to Disneyland with Danny, Jackie, and Mario. So it's like a double date. And I'm so excited. Eee. Okay. The only not excited thing, the non-exciting thing is that I have to wake up super early. That's the only bad part. Also, my brother, Miguel, he got a MacBook Pro, guys. MacBook Pro. He got it today. He said it was on special for $1,000. No, for $1,050. I kind of want one. I kind of want to trade in my MacBook Air for a Pro and then more memory as well. I'll just hope to like pay the difference or something. I don't know. But yeah, my iMovie finally started working on my computer. It wasn't working for a long time and I just let it rest for like 4 months and then it worked. So I guess it was just tired. I don't know. I was so ready to call and then I was like, you know what? Let me just try it one more time. And I tried it and it worked. So I'm excited. I get to edit and I get to post from my MacBook and not the desktop, although the desktop was like really nice and high quality and you can see everything and it was a bigger image to where editing wasn't that hard. Now I have to get back used to using this thing. So yeah, want to see my guns? No, I don't have one. I don't have any yet. And look at this fat right here. But it's all gonna go away, okay guys? Okay. And this back fat too, it's gonna go away. And then this is, it has like a cool back. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. No, I don't think so. Okay, bye. Guys, I am out of the gym and it is official. I am a member of the cab. So excited. I just barely signed up and I paid. So it's a minimum of 6 months, but I can just, as long as I keep taking the money out of my bank, then I'll be attending the gym. I'm so excited. Especially because, you know, everybody around me is being so supportive. So thank you to my family, my boyfriend, and you guys, because you guys, believe it or not, your comments make my day, and it's just, it means so much. You have no idea. But thank you, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be a really long, bumpy roller coaster, but I know that, you know, it's gonna have a really good outcome. So I'm very excited. Good morning, guys. Danny and I are at Disneyland today. I'm so excited. And before we got here, we went to McDonald's and we have breakfast, and I still have my coffee because it's really, really hot. But I am like super tired. I cannot wait to get lobster nachos today though. I'm so excited. Oh, my back hurts. Anyway, it doesn't seem as packed, but we have to see how it is down there because it's already 9, baby. So that means they opened, because they open at 8. So the park might already be super crowded. We try to come as early as we could, just so we could get on cars, because we haven't gone on cars in forever. Since the last time we came, like with our last pass, huh? Yeah, it's been a while. You wanna say hi, baby?
No.
Okay. So rude. Anyway, we're also gonna be here with Mario, Jackie, and Joanna, which are Danny's cousins. I don't know if they're gonna bring the baby, but yeah, we're gonna be with them. Hopefully nothing changes. Hopefully the plans don't change. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go. So we're here for the food and wine festival, I guess. There's a bunch of people. So we are just making out of cars, and we waited about an hour and a half because it broke down, but we stayed, huh, babe?
Yeah.
And it broke down for like what, 10 minutes? Maybe around 10 minutes.
And then some lady walked away with their kids.
Yeah, she did. She walked away, but a lot of people were getting out of the line, so it was so worth the wait, though. I love it. And then now we're gonna go and watch Frozen, the show. So excited! I've never seen that one. Danny's seen the movie, but he swears he hasn't.
I never have.
He watched it with me.
Nope, never.
We're gonna go meet Mario, Jackie, and Joanna. But the funny thing is that we don't even know where Aladdin used to be.
Is it by Tower Terrace?
So pretty.
It is how close we were for the Book of Mormon.
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
You're on the video.
Where's Joanna? Oh, hi, Joanna.
Single? No.
No, you're not.
Hey, did she jump over there?
Oh, look how pretty. We're about to go on this ride.
Oh, you could be like,
Say hi, guys.
Soldier Boy.
Mario's kicking me, and it's making me scared. Mario, stop.
And you can buy the souvenir wine pass here.
Oh, this is the gift card.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
Maybe you bring your pins
hands again.
Like watermelon.
Dang it, that's so cute. Oh look, and we can take a picture with the big ass fork. We got a pin.
Huh? She can say this.
Go whip. Woo! Oh yeah. They give you tahini. Can you put it on my baby? Yes.
It's pineapple, dude.
Oh yeah. Baby,
What?
don't waste the tahini.
Don't wait until he look at mine.
Oh. Thanks, Joanna. I owe you one. Let me see yours, Mario.
Yeah, put on this side.
Oh hell yeah.
One more?
No, I gotta vlog myself eating it.
One more?
I got tahini on my boobs. Hey guys, so we are leaving. We're in the car now. We had so much fun, but now we have to go take care of something else that came up. So heading over to a T-Mobile because they're trying to charge us like $700 or something. So we're gonna go see it. So we have like the worst luck ever, but whatever. I was tired and I have to work tomorrow. Danny has to work tomorrow. So yeah, we will see you next time. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye. Look at my poor man over there in distress. He's dealing with T-Mobile shitty ass customer service. We came to Ira Plaza because the T-Mobile is over here, and they told us to call customer service because they're the ones that could get rid of the fee and everything that they're charging us, taxes and the rest of the phones that we owe, which we didn't understand why, because we're on the leasing program. So we thought, you know, we didn't have to really pay like the last full amount or whatever until our leasing was over, and it's not over yet. And the guy said that we were supposed to get a 30-day notice that our leasing was gonna come to an end, and we didn't. So he's over there dealing with that. He's doing a lot of hand movements. That's when you know he's serious. Hey guys, so I am going to attempt something today, and I'm gonna cook. You shut up, Kevin!
Shut up, I'm hungry.
Okay, that was my dad, yeah. You could have gotten tacos for yourself, mister. Anyway, I'm gonna make some fish that my mom left here. But look guys, there's blood. Ah! Spilling. So I'm gonna try that and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't burn anything, so let go. So I was gonna make my own mix, but I found this in the cupboard. That's way easier. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt because it doesn't have any. And also some lemon pepper flavor. Yeah. So this is what they're looking like. I feel like you need to leave them for a little bit more. And this one just fell, so I don't know. There we go. Alrighty guys, so you see the difference? This is the one with the egg and this is no egg. So I'm gonna start making them no egg because I think this bread thing, it's done and it's perfect and it doesn't need any eggs. So I don't know. I'm gonna fry those a little bit longer. Guys, I tasted the one that has the egg in it and that one tastes way much better than the other one because some of them are super salty. Alrighty, so
Yeah.
we can't wait to have them. And I also made this jalapeno, cucumber, tomato, and avocado. I don't know about that. Can't wait. Alrighty guys, this is how my taco looks. I just put lemon and aguacate. So let's see.
Right.
I'm nervous. Even my dad said it was good. Oh yeah.